Hello kids, how are you all? Today we are going to learn about chapter number 1, putting word together. Student, what is sentence? And what is putting words together? Why we put words together? We put words together to make a sentence. Why we need to put word together? We need word to put together to express our feelings, to express something what we want to talk to others. For that we need a sentence. And to make a sentence, we put different types of word to make meaningful sentence. Sentence is a group of words that makes complete sense. Sentence क्या होता है? Sentence शब्दों का समूह जो कि कोई मतलब निकालता है, जो हम दूसरों को कहना चाहते हैं, लिखकर या बोलकर उससे वाक्य के रूप में हम लिखते हैं या सेंटेंस के तरह से लिखते हैं, उसे हम सेंटेंस कहते हैं. नाउ स्टूडेंट्स, सेंटेंस आर डिवाइडेड इनटू 2 parts, subject and predicate. What is subject? The subject of a sentence is the person or thing spoken about. Subject sentence का वो पार्ट होता है जिसमें पर्सन या थिंग के बारे में हम बात कर रहे होते हैं, जिस पर्सन या चीज़ के बारे में हम बात कर रहे होते हैं. And what is predicate? Predicate is what is said about the person or thing. Predicate person और थिंग के बारे में या सब्जेक्ट के बारे में हम क्या बात कर रहे हैं, उसे हम प्रेडिकेट कहते हैं. लाइक द टाइगर रोड लाउडली. इन दिस सेंटेंस वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट टाइगर. सो टाइगर इज अवर सब्जेक्ट. एंड व्हाट इज टाइगर डूइंग इन दिस सेंटेंस? टाइगर रोड लाउडली. रोड लाउडली इज predicate. Another example is the monkey is sitting on the branch of a tree. What we are talking about? We are talking about the monkey. And what is monkey doing? Monkey is sitting on the branch of a tree. So the monkey is our subject, and what monkey is doing? Monkey is sitting on the branch of a tree is the predicate. Nina is posting a letter. Now what we are talking about? Nina. So Nina is our subject, and what is Nina doing? Nina is posting a letter. So is posting a letter is predicate. Next, what is declarative sentence? We are talking about now the types of sentence. First type of sentence is a declarative sentence. Declarative sentence is one that give information about any subject. What subject is doing? Subject क्या कर रहा है? That is called declarative sentence. Most sentence that we read in our books or speak are declarative sentence. Most of the sentence are statement or declarative sentence. There are 2 types of declarative sentence: affirmative sentence and negative sentence. Affirmative sentence are positive and tell us something is so. Affirmative sentence positive होते हैं, जो चीज़ होती है या कर सकते हैं उसे हम affirmative sentence कहते हैं. Like the ball is made from good quality rubber. बॉल किस चीज़ से बनी हुई? गुड क्वालिटी रबर से बनी हुई है. आई एम गोइंग टू द स्ट्रीट मार्केट ऑन संडे. मैं संडे को स्ट्रीट मार्केट जाऊंगा. Then what is negative sentence? Negative sentence use word like no, not, never, isn't, can't, etc. to tell us something is not so. Negative sentence उसे कहते हैं जो चीज़ नहीं होने वाली है. उसके लिए हम कुछ वर्ड्स यूज करते हैं: नो, नॉट, नेवर, इजंट, कांट, एक्सेट्रा. Like the plumber doesn't have a wrench. It is not a good day for shopping. Now we are going to discuss about what is interrogative sentence and what is exclamatory sentence. Whenever we want to ask something to others, we use a sentence, or we ask something to others by a sentence is called a interrogative sentence. A interrogative sentence are sentence that asks question. We use a question mark at the end of a sentence. An interrogative sentence like do you live in this neighborhood? Have you met the new principal? So in these two sentences we are asking something to others. What is exclamatory sentence? Exclamatory sentences are those sentences which expresses our strong feelings, strong inner feelings or emotions. The sentences are used to express sudden joy, sadness, surprises and feelings. The end in an exclamation mark. These sentences ends in an exclamation mark. Like, what a brilliant idea. Student, you can see at the end of the sentence there is an exclamation mark. Oh no, we lost again. How wonderful to see you. Now we are going to discuss about what is imperative sentences. Imperative sentence give an order, command, advice or suggestions. इम्पेरेटिव सेंटेंस उन्हें कहते हैं जिनके द्वारा हम किसी को आदेश देते हैं, सलाह देते हैं. दे आर ऑल्सो यूज टू मेक रिक्वेस्ट टू अ पर्सन. ऐसे सेंटेंस जो हैं किसी से नम्र निवेदन के लिए भी यूज किए जाते हैं. रिमेंबर टू यूज प्लीज व्हेन यू रिक्वेस्ट समवन टू डू समथिंग. हमेशा ये याद रखना कि जब भी आप किसी से निवेदन करते हैं, प्रार्थना करते हैं, तो आपको प्लीज शब्द का यूज करना होता है. कम हियर इमीडिएटली. फॉर एग्जाम्पल दिस टाइप ऑफ सेंटेंस इज कमांड. टेल द बॉय वेयर हिज शूज. This is an order. Please, may I borrow your eraser? What type of sentence is this? This is a request sentence. Always think before you speak. This is an advice to a person. Let the student think about his future. This is a suggestion. I hope, student, you must have understood what is sentence, what is subject and predicate and types of sentences.